Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Semret Russom.
And I'm Robil.
I know it's been so long we haven't been back on this channel, but we are super excited to be back again with new content, and it's, you know, a new year, new ideas, and
oh no!
And Delina's crying.
It's nap time.
It's been a minute. We decided to take a little break because of the holidays and, you know, family time, but we are back.
And we have to work.
And so sometimes life gets in the way, and this is really our fun things to do, but this is not our job. But we love sharing with you guys, you know, things that is helpful for you guys and for us and Delina and Robil. So, but we are back.
I'm excited. I feel so much hope for this new year. It's 2021.
Yeah.
I know just because it went to January 1st, 2021, it doesn't mean that everything is going to be peaches and cream, but I feel like we're moving in the right direction.
Yes.
I'm happy that the vaccine is here.
So right, yes.
I am so happy with all the work that we've done kind of in balancing work and family.
Yeah.
And I'm so proud of you for everything that you've done in starting your businesses.
Thank you.
I mean, talk about turning lemons to lemonade. You took 2020, where there's a lot of stuff happening in the world, and you looked at it as an opportunity to start working on a lot of the projects and the dreams that you wanted to.
Right. But you kind of have to do that, right? Because life happens. So
life happens. And
things come up, situations, and this is out of our control. But the things that I can control is to work on my life, my business, you know, like
stay
all
healthy,
those, stay healthy.
Stay healthy throughout.
And, you know, that's the key, right, in life. Things are going to happen, but it's to look in for opportunities in situations like that. So
yeah, and when I get busy during December holiday time, because my work is very seasonal, I guess you would say.
What do you do for work again?
Well, I work in the food industry. I work with fancy cheese.
Very fancy cheese.
So people, you know, order buy a lot of fancy cheeses around the holidays, especially in these times because we can't go out so much. So people like to bring the party, so to speak, to their home.
Right, Zoom, right?
And Zoom, yeah. So we've been doing a lot of that, but it's been great because you're so good at taking care of her. You're such a good mom, and I feel so comfortable and confident. And the other thing I have to say about 2020, just to continue with silver linings and the positivity, is that this little one was born at the end of 2019.
Yes. And
so that meant that while we were shut down, effectively, 2020, we got to
spend time.
We were lucky enough to spend almost her whole first year with her.
Absolutely.
Working from home, parenting from home.
Learning about being new parents.
Watching her grow.
Adjusting,
And it's been in a lot of ways a blessing.
Oh, yes.
And now I think we're really looking forward with hope at 2021. And so
it's already looking good, 2021, to have vaccine. Although, you know, we lost so many people, which is really, really sad. And, you know, my heart goes out to the family who lost their, you know, loved ones. And we're going to continue to lose people, I'm sure, until this whole thing goes away. But at least it gives us hope that there is, you know, a light at the end of the tunnel, right?
Yeah, we're definitely not out of the woods yet.
Yeah.
But I feel like I feel like we're on the right track.
Yeah, I agree.
There are things that happen that are obviously beyond our control. And, you know, a pandemic, a virus, that's a good example of one of those things that there's not much we can do about it except try to come together and stay positive.
That's it.
And
I mean, that's all we have really, because when nothing is out of your control, you just have to go in anything, not just with coronavirus, but in life, things like that happen. So you have to dig deep to stay into the positive, look into your life to appreciate your health, your family, the things that you have, the things that you can control, right? So it definitely makes you want to appreciate more. Well, family is very important to us, especially now that we are parents, right? And it's even more so because Robert got super busy in the holiday season, and so that means I had to take care of Delina and be home with her, and vice versa when I'm taking care of my clients and he watches her for me. So like we're blessed to have the balance for both of us, and it helps us knowing that we can support each other when one is busy, the other one takes care of when so it's that's what family is for.
We have a very full life, and that's a good thing. This is what we wanted,
yes.
And so that means we get busy sometimes. We still have
it's her bone, sorry.
She's chewing the bone.
Okay.
But that means we get busy sometimes, which means that with jobs, with this little one, with responsibilities, sometimes we have to rely on each other, and it's we're a team.
Yeah.
And so that means that sometimes I have to say, sweetheart, I need help today.
Yeah.
I need to go to work, and but we also need to remember that just because when you're home watching the baby, that's you're really helping me. So your job as a mother is way harder than my job of selling cheese. When I go out and I'm selling cheese to people around the country, that's fun. That would be like a relaxing day for you. You're changing diapers and you're chasing her around, and she's has so much energy and so much vim and vigor, and she's all over the place. But at the same time, I understand that your dream is to be a business person. We would like to someday call that our job.
Yeah.
Your fitness company.
Yeah.
Your personal training, your coaching, your online.
Yeah.
Zoom classes, as well as your merchandise.
Yeah.
And so keeping that in mind, I understand that when I'm done with my job, that you would like to work on that, and so it gives me a lot of pleasure to help in any way. And maybe I don't help enough.
Yeah,
you can be honest. But I definitely try.
I mean, even the fact that it was like watching her and I get to go work out, and that gives me like a personal time for myself, and I appreciate that. And you allow me to be who I am and do what I love, not just helping my clients, but taking care of myself, and it means so much to me. And I think you probably don't know that, but it means really the world to me.
When I get home from work, I just know that, hey, go to the gym. Just get out of here, get dressed, go to the gym, take as much time as you want.
Sometimes I'm like lingering around the house because I wanted to play. I want to make sure that Lina is okay.
Yeah.
And
fed,
and
bathed.
Yeah. And so I think it's just as a mom, it makes me feel good. It has nothing to do with you, just me.
Good.
Me wanting to do all those things before I go out the house, and then I can kind of like focus on myself. All right, you guys, I'm super excited. I have a lot of things coming up for you guys this year. And one of them, of course, is Tigunya Tuesday, and also
featuring me.
Exactly, Robel and Delina and Pepper, and then me.
It's a family show.
Exactly, but also just more fitness, bring you guys the motivational speaking. That's what I love to do. And also just beauty and things that I love, hair, clothes, and things that makes me feel like that you guys can enjoy it. I will bring that for you guys. So there's so much content coming your way. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and also thank you very much for all your love and support. Last year we couldn't have done it without you guys, all our subscribers, and I'm really excited to bring you guys more videos, and you know, we're back on track, you can say, and I'm excited to share that with you guys. So I can't wait what 2021 has for us, and beyond, and hopefully coronavirus will go away forever, and that life can go back to normal, and we could all travel and just be normal again. So I appreciate you guys, and I can't wait to see you on the next video. All right, you guys, I'm all done here. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. And we want to say hi and bye. And say Semret Russom, ciao.